This is a tikal guava. It's planted 2.5 years ago, and it's been planted on the north side of the house, about 2 to 3 feet from the block wall. And as you can see, very next to it is a Ruby Supreme guava that is planted as a 1 gallon small plant about the same time, but both of them have been growing close to each other, almost about 2 feet apart, but both of them are growing very vigorously. They have been planted on the north side of the house, and it gets morning to evening sun almost for the entire day in Phoenix, Arizona. Guavas do love full sun, and if you let them be, they will grow tall and bushy. Both of these tikal as well as the Ruby Supreme guavas have been growing and have reached about 10 to 12 feet or so in height. They start producing in early spring. They produce small flowers, and those flowers slowly convert into small fruits, and it takes about 4 to 6 months for the fruits to ripen. And in Phoenix, Ruby Supreme guava starts ripening in about middle August. The tikal guava starts ripening from middle August through early to mid September. And as you can see, the tree is loaded with about, I would say, 50 to 80 guavas, and we already harvested probably about 40 or so. The fruit can vary in size. When the tree is not completely matured, this fruit is only about couple of inches long, but since this tikal guava is getting to almost third year or so, some of the fruits are almost full size, and they have grown to about, let's see, about 4 to 6 inches in length. They're pretty big. And I have plenty of mulch and compost at the base, but beyond that and watering once a week, they do not need much care. If you want to grow more bushy guava, all you do is pinch the top, and then the new buds will appear at the tip, and it will grow more like a branch rather than just the leaves. There is another guava right here, and that's a Mexican cream guava. It's a white guava. It's planted next to the fig tree, again on the north side, and even in the limited space, it's been growing more like an espalier tree. And this was planted about 2.5 years ago from a small 1 gallon plant, and it's already reached its full matured height and trunk diameter. It does produce big creamy guavas. This fourth guava plant is planted next to the swimming pool, very close to the block wall, again on the north side, and its variety is called kilo guava. It produces big fruits. This is its 5th or 6th month since planting. It was a small 3 gallon plant, and it's been growing under the shade of this curry leaf plant. But it does take full sun, no problem, in Phoenix, Arizona. And it has again plenty of mulch and compost at the base, and I do water it once a week, so that watering is good enough for it. So this kilo guava we'll see how it grows in about a year or two. This fifth guava plant is planted next to the swimming pool in a grow bag, and it's planted as a 3-gallon starter plant. It's a Barbie pink guava, but it's been growing without any major hiccups in full blazing Arizona sun. Since it's planted in the grow bag, I have been watering it once a day throughout this summer in 110 plus degrees, and it's already grown vigorously from a small 3-gallon plant, a small stick, to close to about 4 to 5 feet in height. And in the grow bag, the way it's planted is using 30 to 40% native soil, 30 to 40% compost, and about 10 to 15% sand with plenty of mulch on the top. So it does create a well draining mixture, but the native soil, Arizona native soil, which is clay rich, helps retain some water, especially during hot summer months.